In this video, I will walk you through an in-depth analysis of the BearLoan application, comparing its marketed convenience against the actual user experiences shared by the community. When you look at the App Store page, BearLoan positions itself as a streamlined digital platform by SP Infotech, designed to connect users with a network of over 100 direct and indirect lenders. The primary contrast here lies between the promised speed of an instant cash advance and the trade-offs regarding data privacy. While the app claims you can request between $200 and $5,000 without a login, the developer disclosure reveals that personal and financial information may be shared with third parties. Users must weigh the benefit of a possible next-day deposit against the reality of a 3.7-star rating. On one side, some users praise the doable annual percentage rates, which range from 6.63% to nearly 36%. However, the standout contrast comes from critical reviews warning of $40 monthly charges for credit score access. These conflicting accounts suggest that while the app functions as a lead generation tool for those with a steady income of at least $1,000, the experience can vary wildly between a smooth transaction and unexpected fees. It is essential to remember that BearLoan is not the lender itself, so the final terms depend entirely on the partner you are matched with during the process. Thank you for watching this comparison of the BearLoan Cash Advance app. If you found this breakdown helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more app reviews, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below.